So now you have go to the brainstorm stage now, and you have got your course idea now. But before you go ahead, like jump into the creation stage, we wanna go and check out the market demand and some research of it to see that is there like really demand of this kind of course topic that you are going to teach. The first one that we're gonna go and check is called like Google Trends. So as you guys can see on my screen, that we are gonna be covering about the Google Trend. And I have typed in digital marketing. As you guys can see, the blue line that represent digital marketing, and I vary the time, different 10 to use. And the second one I put in as online marketing, and this is showing us in red color. And to see like what it mean by that, you can click on this little question mark, and it will give you more explanation saying that anything between like 50 to 100 is a good sign of it, and anything less than 50, that means there's not much data about it. And as you guys can see in here, that you can keep on like adding comparison in here, and say for example, if we just say marketing and we type it in to see like you get more feel of it. As you guys can see that with this time it's not much or not many people searching about it, and this is totally flat, so which might not be a good sign, or we need to vary the 10 that we use. And if you scroll down in here, that you will see that it will give you different suggestion about what kind of word the people are searching for, and also about the location here. You can change it either to worldwide or to your specific country, but if you are targeting online, then I would say like worldwide. However, if you are like running pay all those kind of things that you want to target a specific area, then you can just vary, and you will see that it will give you different kind of trend about it. So back to the trend that we are talking about, that we are looking at something like a upward trend or like a flat trend. As you can see, this one is quite good. It's mean like consistent, and this one is a little bit less demand. It's just like under the 50, which is the online marketing. As you can see, digital marketing is more like demanding. And the next one that we're going to check is in the Uber Suggest. In here, the same thing, that you can change the location to your area that you target. Now we're just gonna search the digital marketing. Let me select this one quickly. Right, as you can see in here, I'm in a trial version. So as you guys can see in here, it will give you a kind of feel about what kind the word, the demand of the word that is being like suggesting in here, like in what kind of time, and the demand is quite high about it. And also variation of the word that people are searching, and also it gives you a kind of idea that if you're gonna run the marketing later on, the paid marketing, paid ad, you can see the cost per click for the word in here, right? So this is one kind of idea that you can use towards your advantage when you do that. Next one that we're gonna go for answerthepublic.com, and as I mentioned, the answerthepublic.com, you only get 3 search in each day, so you make sure that you use the word that is like that it count, right? So see, he agreed with me as well. So if I type in digital marketing, and the same thing here, that you can choose the location that you would like to use in here, and we're just gonna go click search and give it a set. It will bring a loads of data in here. As you guys can see, it brings like 78 questions about like what can, where, who, when, how, which the digital marketer can do. As you can see, these can be the question that your audience are asking, and also can be the kind of question that you can use towards creating your course content. And also this one is like the digital marketing can or without or near, for and to. And this one, digital marketing is like or versus, all those kind of things that you can use. Or if you want, you can look at it like rather in the diagram version, that you can look at it in this way, in a test way. So yeah, and you can also like download it in a CSV file as well for your purpose, right? And last one that we're going to share is about the group Facebook. So once you log into the Facebook, click on this little icon, the group one, and then if you type in like we're going to use the digital marketing here, And when you type in the digital marketing in here, as you can see that there's already loads of group coming up. And we click on one in here. Once you log into the group, that you want to go for search this little icon in here, and then search your word that you want to, that your potential client or the topic that you are targeting about. And as you can see that it will bring out the post that's got a digital marketing on it. So these are the little tips that we're going to share. Oh, one last thing is that when you join your group, that you want to ensure that the group that you join is got like loads of audience in it. But anyway, in this one we can see that because the digital marketing is quite popular, as you can see there's got such a large group number of it. So we want to join a group that is really active and it's got quite a lot of like audience in it. Hopefully that will help you to go and decide that what kind of course topic and then whether there is like demand for your course topic. I hope that helped.